All right, here's problem 1-35 from our homework 114, where they're giving us a rectangle. They don't give us side lengths. They're giving us 2x and x plus 3, but we can still work with those. So the first part, just trying to find the perimeter, and it says in terms of x, which means our answer is going to have x's in it. Remember, perimeter is just the distance around, so we just got to add up all the side lengths. And since this is a rectangle, if this up here is 2x, that means this down here is 2x. And if this on the right side is x plus 3, that means this is x plus 3. And now we just got to add all these sides together. And so in this little down here, I will do 2x plus 2x plus x plus 3 plus x plus 3. And then I'm going to try to simplify this, reduce it down. And so there is a 2x here, a 2x here, an x, and an x. So that's 2, 4, 5, 6x. 6x is there. And then adding up the other ones, there's just a 3 and a 3. And that's going to give me 6x. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6x plus 6 would be our perimeter of this shape. Okay? This would be a good time to pause and see if you can finish the rest of the problem. Okay? But I will finish it from here on out as well. So if you need the extra help, keep watching. So the next part is saying that if the perimeter is 78 centimeters, find the dimensions of the rectangle. Okay, so we can say that we know our perimeter is also 6x plus 6, because that's what we just calculated. So 6x plus 6 is our perimeter. Well, 78 is also our perimeter. So we can set those two equal to each other. And then we can try to solve here for x. Once we have our x, we can plug into our original. So we can plug in here and see what the actual dimensions are. Okay, solving this, I subtract 6 on both sides, and that becomes 6x equals 72, just by subtracting this 6, so it goes away, minus 6 over here. Now I can divide both sides by 6 to get these two to go. So we're just left with x, and I get x equals 12. That's great, that's good x, but now we still need to plug it back in to see what the dimensions are. So I plug it in here, 2x times 12, well that would equal 24. 12 plus 3 on this side, that would equal 15. So my dimensions are 24 by 15. So that would be the answer to part B, 24 and 15. And then lastly, it says verify that the area of the rectangle is 360 square centimeters. Okay. Now, what we can do, because it's a rectangle, is we can take the length times the width. So that's just going to be 24 times 15, and we're going to see if that equals 360. And if it does, we verify that that is actually the area of this rectangle. So I'm bringing up my calculator here because I can't do this in my head. 24 times 15, it does in fact equal 360. And so we did verify that the area of the rectangle is 360 square centimeters.